Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Anu Arora. I will be talking about today back pain cure at home with the help of yoga, diet and lifestyle. If you are suffering from back pain, you must be consuming some kind of painkillers and some kind of medicines to survive. Also, I would like you to know that there are a lot of negative effects of these pills. So for how long will you consume these? You need to find out a natural way to cure, to say goodbye to your pain, also to these painkillers. You can't consume these for your lifelong. So the cure lies in yoga, diet and lifestyle. We will discuss all these 3 points in detail in this video. Let's first discuss yoga. So what your body needs flexibility, your body needs strength in the body. So you need to be doing those asanas that helps your body heal and recover, give flexibility, give strength. So what are the poses? Number one is Cobra is very essential. Cobra is excellent pose which I recommend to every single person. Either you keep sitting all day long on your chair, just come back home, do this Cobra pose and everything just feels fine. And second pose is Setu Bandhavasana, that's called bridge pose. So basically Cobra, Bhujangasana, Setu Bandhavasana, bridge pose, these two poses are excellent, but work on a lot of other poses to improve body flexibility. Not only these two poses are important, a lot of other poses are also essential to improve body flexibility. So work with a proper teacher or a guidance you need to improve body strength and flexibility. To get rid of your pain. I can share with you one case. I met this lady, she's about 60 years old. She was suffering from back pain, for about 8 to 10 years, very long, and she was living on painkillers. Actually, in the morning, afternoon, evening, every time she need to consume a painkiller to survive. Every time she had to travel, she needed a lot of painkillers. But somehow we met and she tried yoga with me and she felt the magic of yoga. The first class, the first month was very difficult for her though, but she felt fine. She felt, good. A little bit practice she was doing. I gave her very slowly, gradually, a lot of poses. I made her do so many things which was not possible for her in the very first month. But gradually after 6 months, 7 months, she was doing so many things and she felt actually the magic is happening. Yoga is healing her. Less pain, less painkillers. So that was really magical for her, and after about 1.5 to 2 years, she felt you don't need painkillers anymore. So that's the beauty of yoga. Right guidance can change a lot of things. Yoga can cure, but it is essential to understand what you can do right now, what are your capabilities and capacities, so that you can adjust the yoga poses, because there will be a lot of variations in a single pose. Let's say even if you're talking about Cobra, in Cobra there are about 4 to 5 to 6 variations of one single pose. Now what you do? Now please don't do that you listened in this video, I need to do Cobra, so you end up doing the wrong Cobra. There are different variations of Cobra which you need to understand what exactly I can do right now. So yeah, please also take proper guidance. We take proper yoga series and gentle yoga series for back pain. Even I'm thinking of designing online course where anyone can take that course and cure themselves from anywhere in the world. Number second is lifestyle, which is very essential, because until you improve your lifestyle, until you improve the way you live, you cannot cure your problem, because you started facing this kind of problem due to poor lifestyle, due to poor eating habits, due to no exercise. So lifestyle means stay active, lead a healthy and active lifestyle. Second is reduce stress in your life. A very essential point. You need to be really happy. Calm, healthy mind, because calm, healthy mind can help your body heal quickly and faster. Negative thoughts gives the body signals and get the negative vibes, your body produces such negative hormones, and if you think positive, your body will begin to heal naturally. So it's important to stay happy, healthy, in a blissful state. Number 3 is please get sound sleep, because if you are sleeping in a disturbed place where people are talking, or phone or laptops, technology is on, so try to change your space where you can get peaceful and sound sleep, because a good sound sleep can heal your body naturally. These are natural cure for the body. Your body can naturally heal. You just have to give the right environment. Also, expose your skin to the sunlight. Sit in sunlight for about 20-25 minutes in the morning or after 3 p.m. That's a wonderful time because sunlight is not that harsh at that time. So sit in sunlight, very essential. Let's come to diet. Now in diet, please stay away from maida, please stay away from chemical based products or a lot of fried food. So these kind of foods should not be a part of your list. Number 2, eat a lot of fresh home-based foods. You're allowed to eat that. Number 3 is please eat a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables, salads in your daily diet. Now, why it is essential to eat raw food? This is raw food, fresh fruits, fresh vegetables. You need to be eating a lot of fresh fruits to keep your body healthy and alkaline from within. Fresh fruits, raw food can heal, can give your body a lot of nutrients. So if your body is suffering from any kind of nutrient deficiencies, either it's vitamin C, either it's calcium, fruits can provide you that. Fresh vegetables, raw food can provide you that quickly. So focus on eating a lot of fresh fruits. I'm not saying that you just eat small apple and you say I'm done. No, I am saying that you eat one big bowl of fruits, one big bowl of salads. So at least one big bowl has to be there. Either it's a big plate of fruit, either it is a plate of salad. So that's what your focus is. Eat a lot of raw foods, plus you can eat home-based cooked food. So combined together, that's what your diet should be. So this is diet, this is lifestyle, and this is exercise. Work on all 3 to cure your problem naturally at home. And if you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you back with another video. Till then, good luck and bye-bye.